Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. I am Niharika from Daddy Goes Live, the live video company, and today we are here to unbox and review the mind-blowing features of this sleek black box, which is a hardware live production switcher called the ATEM Mini Pro ISO by Blackmagic Design. So we ordered this just in time for a virtual conference that we are going to be live streaming, and it's going to have multiple inputs in the form of webcam feeds of various people connected remotely over a Zoom call. And we are going to be doing some other overlays, including maybe plugging in a PowerPoint presentation and videos, and basically switch between each of these inputs or even do picture in picture. And while all of that is possible with a live production software, this one makes it totally foolproof because you need no special skills or expertise to operate it. It's absolutely simple and yet capable of creating TV channel quality broadcasts. So let's get this started. Alright, so the cool part about this model is that it adds recordings of up to 5 separate video streams in real time. That's a clean feed of all the inputs plus the live broadcast program. So a lot of times we have to do like a highlights video for our clients to cover like the main sections of a live broadcast. And what this enables you to do is totally customize all aspects of your live production to your needs, because sometimes if there is a glitch in your live production, or you realize that you skipped showing something in real time, something important that was going on in another camera, you can do that now in the post production. This model comes with a DaVinci Resolve project file mechanism. So basically all your files get saved on, and you can open them to adjust your edits, to change some shots, to remix your audio, to add color correction, and a variety of other things. To me, I think there's never been a switcher that's easier to use, because you can simply press any of the input buttons labeled 1 to 4 on the main panel to cut between video sources. You can choose between cut or effect transitions by selecting the buttons, and this one basically has a lot of cool effects to pick from. So you can do anything from the basic cuts and dissolves to more dramatic effects such as the dip to color. There is something called a DVE squeeze and DVE push. The DVEs are perfect for picture-in-picture transition effects because you can instantly set up different picture positions. And there's even a still store for titles and graphics accessible via external software control. Now, this compact design basically includes both a control panel as well as the connections. So the front panel includes easy to use buttons for selecting your video input sources, video effects and transitions. The source buttons are really large, right? So it's possible to use it by feel, letting the presenter do the switching himself. Now you can even get buttons for audio mixing. On this model, you can get buttons for recording and streaming as well as output selection buttons, so you can change the video output between cameras, program and multi-views. On the rear panel, there are HDMI connections for cameras or computers or even extra microphone inputs, and there is a USB for webcam out plus an HDMI aux output for program videos. So basically with 4 independent HDMI inputs, you can connect up to 4 high quality video cameras. Video cameras with HDMI outputs are dramatically better quality than simple webcams because they use high quality lenses and have better low light sensitivity. So to ensure maximum compatibility, this features a USB connection that basically operates as a simple webcam source, which means that you can plug it in and instantly get working with any video editing softwares, any video live production softwares. The software is tricked into thinking that the ATEM Mini is a common webcam, but it's really a live production switcher. So that guarantees full compatibility with any software in full resolution 1080 HD quality. So you can basically choose any software like you like, an OBS or vMix or anything that you're editing your live broadcast on, and then stream it in real time to Facebook Live or Skype or Zoom or Twitch or Periscope, and you name it. Now the ATEM Mini Pro has built-in hardware streaming engine for live streaming via its built-in Ethernet connection, which means that you can live stream to YouTube, Facebook and Twitch without dropped frames in better quality, with very simple settings. Just select the streaming service and then enter the streaming key and you are good to go. This model also supports direct recording of your streaming data to your USB flash disks, which mean that you can get very long recordings in the same H.264 video files with the audio that you streamed, so you can directly upload it to any online video site such as YouTube and Vimeo. Now, the ISO model lets you edit your live event because, like I said, it can record up to 5 individual streams, which is the 4 individual inputs plus your final broadcasted program, all in real time. These video files will include metadata tags such as your synced time code and camera numbers. So imagine re-editing your show with new color grades, effects and graphics, this time exactly how you want it to be. I think that feature is pretty cool. This model can also, like I said, save your DaVinci Resolve product file. So with a single click, you can open your live production as a video edit and this time add all the cuts, dissolves and media pool graphics that you want to put. And you can basically fine tune all aspects and even replace shots of your broadcast. On the audio front, with 2 independent 3.55 stereo audio inputs, you can connect desktop and lapel microphones. You can even connect a music player to generate introduction music after the live stream commences, but before the program starts. With 2 extra stereo audio inputs, you can ensure a host and guest both have lapel microphones while doing interviews. A few awesome applications of these could be business presentations via Skype, because you can get dramatically better business presentations. It enables you to see each of your Zoom participants as an individual webcam, so you can plug it on the Skype settings. One camera can be a close-up, you can use another one for a wider shot, use the computer for PowerPoint presentations, even do picture-in-picture. You can use this for live streaming e-sport competitions. You can do this for education and training purposes. This is perfect for educational videos. The setup is really fast and easy, so you can basically switch between inputs, connect cameras, use overlays, perform video effects, do all of this in real time. Overall, we are very happy with this and we can't wait to try this out on our upcoming conference. So yeah, I think all of you people who are interested in doing TV channel quality live broadcasts, you should totally go on the Amazon links posted in the description of this video and order your ATEM Mini Pro ISO today from Blackmagic Design.